Hello and welcome to moving vlogs. It's a bit echoey because I'm currently in a very empty house. This is probably the only time this morning I'm going to be like alone in the house. Andy's just upstairs brushing his teeth. Because like I said, it's moving day, keys are going in, we're getting the new keys, we have loads of people helping us, family. I can't speak properly because I haven't had my coffee yet. That is my reasoning. It's gonna be one of them days where we're just here, there and everywhere, and who knows how on earth this vlog is gonna go. Okay, but first up we are going to the solicitors because we have some final paperwork just to sign before everything can like move smoothly through. So we are going there for them opening at 9 o'clock is the plan, but Anthony is already late. We have finished at the solicitors. We are just getting some breakfast. So obviously come to Costa because you need that coffee. And then it's back to the house to get everything else packed up and basically just wait for the call. I think that's about it for now. So a long time no speak. I actually think the last time I vlogged, you know, I actually haven't got a clue. We've moved everything. I am currently stood in my new house. Oh, is that what I last vlogged? I don't even remember. Oh my god. Okay, so we got the keys from the previous owners because this house was left empty. They said we could get it before the money had all gone through. So they left us the keys. We put some furniture in here. Went back to Anthony's mum's where we are staying, so we emptied like our stuff out of there, got our bed put up there. Then we got the call, came back this way, went to the estate agents, got the official keys. We've just come here, just me and Anthony now, because all day it's been like everybody else has been around as well. And we are currently just changing the locks. And I actually, whilst we was at the estate agents, my nail salon's right next door, and I've literally just nipped in and been like, I need to take my nails off because I've ruined them. I absolutely, there you go, I absolutely love them. There was what I had for the wedding like last week, but I have ruined them. They've got like scratches on them, so I'm just going to take them off, cut them down just so I can help out and not be like worried about nails. This is it. Currently stood in the conservatory. There's some of our furniture and bits, but literally like this is the house, the kitchen. This actually, there is, as you can see, weird panels on all the walls. I think it's a bit of an old-fashioned thing. It's fairly dark because there's still curtains and blinds up like all the windows. I mean, wait, look how it's decorated. The poor people. There's letters absolutely everywhere. And then the other living room is this one. The fireplace. Oh yeah. Oh, there's another key there. Anyway, locks are getting changed. I've got my nail appointment, and then it's back to Anthony's mum's house where we will unpack our things, I imagine then. But I'm just going to chill, update my Instagram home account, go give them a follow. I'll be back shortly. Hello, so I'm vlogging from the car and we are on day, I don't even know since having the house. Last time I filmed was actually the day we moved in. Well, not moved in, the day we got the keys, which was over 2 weeks ago now. And there's a lot that's happened in the, well, not a lot, some stuff happened. Finally getting tradesmen in. So we have been to B&M this morning and just got a bunch of like house things that I needed to get. I didn't need to get, I wanted to get. Went to a bigger one. We just had some dinner and heading to the house now. It's a Saturday, so we have got help today. I will show you when we get there, because I don't think anyone would be there yet. Just the process that we've had and what we've done so far. We're at the house now. I'm sat in my conservatory, well stood. For some reason my camera keeps changing the lighting. As you can see, you can't see my face. Oh, but now you can. stupid maiden. Anyway, Anthony's uncles are here and they are looking at taking down some more walls, I believe, and a ceiling, and getting the kitchen finished, because currently, let me show you the kitchen. What it looks like now. Like what? Yeah. So when we took it down, there is this kind of like wallpaper on all of the, because what it was all the wooden beams, and then taking the plasterboards off. That's why there's just like hanging sockets at the moment. Yes, this side is like half done, and over there, and all the units obviously that was there as well have gone. The living room has got no floor. Please do excuse the terrible lighting and the fact that you might actually be able to hear the dryer on as well in the kitchen. But I am here today. It is the following day from yesterday. Again, didn't film anything because we had help around that consists of basically Anthony's family. So I didn't really film anything. But the ceilings have been dropped from upstairs was basically the thing that they did yesterday. And we also went to B&M yesterday, didn't we? And I wanted to show you the fun things that we bought. There is a couple of bigger things that are already at the house, like a side table, that I absolutely love. It was supposed to be 40 quid, down to 30. I'll have to show you that. Actually, I think it's in Anthony's boot of his car still. I thought I would show you the fun things. Anyway, so I showed a couple of things a few weeks ago in my B&M haul, and I've actually repurchased them because they're in the lockup and I don't know where in the lockup. The lockup is literally jam-packed full, like we can't even get into it. So because I'm doing the bathroom at the moment, because it's the only room in the house that looks decent, I have rebought them. I can reuse the stuff somewhere else. Anyway, the first thing is this wooden bathroom tray. £4, love it. I think it just looks super nice to go on the counters that are in there, and to go with it is this soap dispenser, only £2.50, and how amazing does that look? And it's glass. I've already bought, I think now, 2 or 3 of these, but I don't mind. I mean, there's a kitchen, there's 2 bathrooms. I can put them side by side and have like a hand cream as well as a bath soap one. Hand soap one. Oh, actually that's a good idea. I could like put like body shower gel or something in them for the shower. That's an alright idea. So the whole idea was to put like some of these together and just make like maybe a little succulent here next to it, and just make a bit of a display of it. The other things as well that I bought were, oh actually no, oh my god. So we went to a different B&M to usual, and it is so much better. It is a lot bigger, and there is a couple of things I've been wanting to find in my local B&M for ages, and I've just not been able to find them. These are everywhere on my Instagram, and I have seriously struggled to get my hands on them. So £2.50 for each of these glasses. They're not, I mean they are glass, but they're not very sturdy. I only picked 2 up because these aren't like our normal glasses that we wanted, but I really thought these would look great for iced coffees just because they're ribbed. Yes, there was so much in that kitchen section that I actually could have bought so much more. I think it will definitely be the shop we have to go back to when we actually have the house to live in. And then I have got a bath mat. It's just a white bubble fluffy one that was £8. I actually think it looks quite nice for what it is. It's part of the Natural Sanctuary range. At the moment it's very beige in there, so I'm just trying to like mix up the colours, as well as I'll wait until the majority of the building work is done before I put this stuff out, because like this is white and it's gonna just go black rather quickly. And something else I keep seeing as well on my Instagram is these packs of 4 candles. So I absolutely love the twirly ones. I constantly buy them off Etsy and love them in my H&M gold candle holder, and I thought these was just such a cute like rose pink kind of colour, so pastel. £2.50 for 4 is very good as well. So I am in the house, as you can see, no makeup on. We have just come today, it is like the 9th of June, and as you can see, there's been a fair few updates, and that is the fact that the kitchen I'm in has now got no wall for the pantry. That is the pantry there. We've also started kitchen shopping. If I go through into the living rooms, everything has been taken, not back to brick, it's just wallpapers off. And then, if I quickly show you up the stairs, so the whole of upstairs now has no ceilings, which is the next step really for downstairs, as well as the walls back to brick as well. Got this little man with us as well, just for now, just because we've come to do measurements for all of the windows. We've also got a bunch of stuff ready for the roofer. He's going to start next week. We also now have roof tiles that have been delivered today, as well as everything for the scaffolding. That is exciting. I think that is the first thing that's going to feel like we're getting somewhere. The scaffolding is probably, I don't know when it's going to go up. I mean, he starts next week, I'm pretty sure, on the roof, and it should only take like a week. So we're very excited with a skip. And this one is also very excited to be here. I'm here with another update today. It is the 26th of June. It's currently a Sunday, and we are at the house again. We have been all weekend. I'm currently stood in the kitchen, which I believe is where I filmed last time. The roof currently looks like that. And all of the render and things are off of all the walls now in here. The only thing literally left is the sink unit, because we still need to use the water. So that'll be like the last thing to go. Everything else with the living rooms are all the exact same. Currently, and looking up the stairs still looks very scary. And if you can hear that noise, it's actually this one. He's here with me today. He's like, oh, the paper, he's just making lots of noise. And the other big change is actually the roof. We've had the roofer here for the last 2 weeks, and he has completed the main part of the house. There is the conservatory roof and the like workshop area roof that still need to be done, but he's coming back and doing them another time. I think he's got another job to do before he does that, but it's only a small job. He said he could literally do it in like a weekend. So we have a new roof. I will show you that, because oh my god, it looks so good. We now need the actual house to be painted so that it can all look better. But we are, yes, we're here today because Anthony's here with his dad doing some work. They're not here yet, I'm the only one here. But I'm here because we're actually showing a couple of friends around for the first time. So I'm excited to show the house off. This one's getting used to this place already, so I do keep bringing him just for a short amount of time, just to get used to it. Hello! So I feel like I've not done an update in a while, maybe like the whole of July, because currently we are on like the 23rd of July, I think we are today. I'm at the house. It's been a while since I've been here, but Anthony has been here working away with his dad and uncles. I'm currently actually stood in the main bedroom, and as you can see, the walls are back to brick, and that is pretty much what it looks like upstairs. It's just downstairs that needs starting on the walls, but the ceilings are all down there. I feel like this is the end of like the renovating part. I think this is literally like my last update on renovation #1 vlog, because after everything comes back to brick, that's when we can get all the tradespeople in and they can start doing their thing, and hopefully it'll progress a bit better. We do have like a 2-week holiday in August, so things are going to come to a bit of a halt then if we can't get the tradesmen in during that time. And I still have to show you the roof, because that got done. Well, I think it's like half done. The main house part's done, and then the extension's like not yet. But yes, I've got that to show you as well. We'll keep you updated, and I will keep doing these vlogs and you can see the progress. So I will see you in next time's video. Thanks for watching.